In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Gauth AI to answer your questions or solve your homeworks and the rest. Very simple. So when you download the app, you just set it up like this. So continue and everything, you just tap on that and then you hop on here. So it's very simple. You just take a picture of your assignment. Good. So here you allow your camera and everything. Simple. So you see my camera will start working now. You get it. So you just select the subject of your assignment, you get it, biology, economics, chemistry, literature, yeah, and then you take a picture of it. So let's say right now I'm studying this on assignment, I'm studying and I want some explanations on it. I just take the picture like this. After taking the picture, I tap on the next and good, you have it. So just like I said, the study is for studying if you want an explanation, so you get it here. After next, they just send you everything. You can ask a follow-up question if you don't understand anything and it helps you solve it. So if you have some chemistry and literature, you can do all that too as well. Now let's come back. Let's move to our profile. I think I've talked about the interface. Now let's move to our profile. Good. So here, if you sign in, if you just download the account, you should create an account. I'm making a review. That's why I didn't sign in. I'm not going to use it. But then you can sign in and you get access to delete and change your account details if you want to, and it has this feature which is the calculator tool here. Just tap on that and then this is how the calculator looks like. This is scientific and then we have a different one here. So very simple and easy. So that's it for the Gauth AI for solving your homeworks and the rest. That's it. So if you're new here, just give me a like and subscribe to the channel. You have any question, you just let me know. And also you can also upload an image you already have, so you can see the image section here. Just tap on the image there. It will get access to your gallery images and then you upload the image and also you get the explanation on that. Simple and easy. So that's it for the video. Peace.